Good afternoon, Dan Moylan reporting on market movers for Tuesday, April 7th. The market saw some strong follow-through buying through most of the session today, but it gave back the gains really into the last few minutes of the session, selling into the close to end down fractionally with the Dow and the S&P both down under 0.2% and the Nasdaq dropping 0.3%. Continuing market movers today and the rest of this week, coronavirus numbers from Italy, Spain, and the rest of Europe that seem to have peaked in many areas, with similar signs of the same happening in New York and California and other hotspots in the U.S. Governor Cuomo of New York and California Governor Newsom both credit mitigation for having a huge impact for curbing the growth of the number of new cases in both these states and the number of hospitalizations. The pain and anxiety that our families and society are dealing with each day, seeing the death rate continuing to go up, is just devastating. This also shows up in the marketplace, and much of the sell-off into the close is because of this number and continuing to rise in many of these areas, even while the new cases are peaking. U.S. Surgeon General Jerome Adams said he sees a light at the end of the tunnel, and if we keep doing the right thing the rest of this month, that we can start to slowly reopen in some places, stating the next 30 days are critical. Many retailers were up today. Kohl's was up over 20%, and these were on optimism. This was on optimism from those type of comments and thinking that the open for business sign is getting closer, with many of these states' new cases showing signs of peaking. The consumer discretionary sector was up 1.23% on the day. That's it for today. Stay safe and stay healthy.